Hello, good morning students. Children, we have learned that water plants are also called aquatic plants. Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. And there are three types of aquatic plants we have studied. Some of them are floating ones, so they are called floating plants. Some plants, they are fixed, the root is fixed in the bed of the pond, and so they are called fixed plants, and the leaves and flowers, they float. And the third one we studied is the underwater plants that grow fully under the water. So these are the three categories we have already learned. We have studied that there are lotus, then duckweed and hydrilla type of plants. Now children, let us do an exercise from your textbook, and it is given here in page number 63. Page number 63, question number D. Now what you have to do is, plants that grow in water are called dash plants. And what is that called? Aquatic. We know aquatic spelling A-Q-U-A-T-I-C. Aquatic, A-Q-U-A-T-I-C, aquatic plants. Now children, you see that some letters of alphabet are given, and you will think that what are these for? It is given in your book, and they have said, beginning with the second letter, cross out every alternative letter to get the answer. Write 2 examples of each kind. Now they have asked you to take the alternate letters. Now aquatic plant, you know what is the spelling, you can see here. So we will take the alternate letters. Let us see whether we get aquatic. We take first A, then we leave the C, and then we take Q, then again we leave the next letter, then we take U, then we leave another this letter and then take A, then we leave this, then we take this, aquate, and then again leave this letter. Now alternative letters we have to take. So we take this, and next we leave the next one and take the last one. Will you get aquatic spelling? A-Q-U-A-T-I-C. So this is what they are saying, that you take the alternative letters and find out the spelling, and this is your aquatic. We have taken all alternative letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can see the spelling A-Q-U-A-T-I-C, aquatic plants. So plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. Now they have said that, as you know, there are 3 types of aquatic plants. They are floating plants, fixed plants and underwater plants. Floating plants, fixed plants and underwater plants, and we have to write 2 examples for each. So in floating plants, let us write duckweed. As you know, ducks, they are protected from the sun in these floating plants, and they rest over there. So they are, these type of plants are known as duckweeds. Okay. So duckweeds, and next one we will write hyacinth. H-Y, be careful of the spelling, H-Y-A-C-I-N-T-H, hyacinth. Okay, H-Y-A-C-I-N-T-H, hyacinth. Okay. Next, coming to fixed plants, we have studied that lotus and water lily are fixed plants. They have very long roots which go deep in the bed of the pond, and the stems are hollow, and the leaves, they float, and the flowers, they float. So fixed plants, lotus, L-O-T-U-S, lotus and water lily. Water lily, W-A-T-E-R, water, L-I-L-Y, lily. Coming to the last one is the underwater plants that we studied, that they come in bunch from the roots, and they are very thin, narrow-like, ribbon-like leaves, and they mostly grow in bunch, and you know, they have no stomatas. They breathe in through the surface, and they take in the dissolved carbon dioxide and make the water of the pond purified by giving in the oxygen, and those fish, turtle and other aquatic plant animals that live in, they get the thing. So they are tape grass and pondweed. Tape grass and pondweed. Pondweed. As you can see, these are all weeds, okay, pond weeds, because pond weeds, these weeds, pondweed and duckweed, they are all actually unwanted type of plants that grow, and bunch they grow, and this is how they grow in the banks of the ponds and all that thing, okay. So whatever it is, floating plants, duckweeds, DUCK, WEEDS, hyacinth, HYACINTH, fixed plants, lotus and water lily, LOTUS, lotus, water lily, WATER LILY, and underwater plants you have tape grass and pondweed, TAPE, tape, GRASS, and pondweed, PONDWEED, pondweed. So please write it in page number 63 of your question number